makes 5, 6?
No, like 320.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It sounds crazy.
It's very loud,
It
yeah.
sounds crazy. It sounds like 5,600 horsepower for sure.
Yeah, no, not even close.
Is it just stock motor, or just like mildly milled?
It's never open, stock.
Never open, so the magic's still in there?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah. Drive 7 hours here, I gotta drive it home.
Oh, you drove it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah. So me and my buddy, 4 wheels, all the camera gear, all the chairs, the tent, everything, tools,
Just in case?
everything in here.
Damn, that's crazy.
No one drifted. I'm getting establishing shots.
Oh, good.
Hey, this is Ryan filming Kevin filming Ryan, and we've arrived, and we're here at Sprit Peaks, and I've never been here, and yeah, some of the cars look sick. Yeah, I don't really know what to expect. Got half an hour till the driver's meeting, and then yeah, that's about it. That's all I got to say about that. It's about 11 o'clock. The track just got hot. I don't know if you can see it in there behind me. Car's all ready. I'm gonna go take my first lap. Then we'll talk back here. I got the bumper back on and ready to go back out there for round 2. I've only done 2 laps so far, so I'd like to drive some more, obviously. Yeah, nice little dent here, destroyed the taillight, pushed the exhaust over, I had to bend the exhaust back a bit, but I think we're all good to go out for round 2 of Sprit Peaks. I just stepped on the scooter. Hey, yo, your flare's coming off! Your flare! Back out from my 4th or so run group, I don't know, whatever. Was driving with Matt Panic and Angela that time, doing some tandems. Matt was right on me, that was super fun. I was not quite right up on him, but that was also fun. Smashed off my bumper again, smashed the taillight, kind of cooler and better than I've ever done before. So that's cool maybe. Maybe my tires are done. Hi, man. I want to put the bumper on real bad, but I want to just drive. What do I do? Okay, so yeah, one thing I forgot to mention from that last run, a little bit of a backstory. I haven't been putting the visor down while drifting lately for no real reason other than I just didn't need to or didn't want to. I don't know, yeah, I felt compelled. I was getting some dirt and dust in my eyes, it felt like. So I was like, oh, okay, I'm going to switch it and put my visor down. Put my visor down, and like 2 corners later, Angela's car kicks up a rock that hits me right in the visor. Like, I'm pretty sure that would have hit me right in the eye. That would have really hurt, man. It was so loud when I hit the visor. I think we got 360 cam footage of it probably, so that's pretty interesting. But man, that was a little bit scary, honestly. Like, it was so loud, and I could see it coming. Like, I'm like, oh, yeah, it's trippy. Love you. Sorry?
You like the shoes NMDs?
I do like these, yeah.
Yeah, I got these the other day.
Honestly, like, I have other shoes that I like driving in though. Text Ryan. I'm about to head back out now. So this is pretty much the wrap up of our Sprit Peaks video. It was a great day. Weather was hot, but not too hot. Track was great, very well run event, lots of seat time. As people said, the track surface is very rough. They weren't lying. But yeah, great time. Got to drive with a lot of new people, meet a lot of new people, gave a lot of ride-alongs to random people. All in all, a great time.
2 very boring minutes later.
Yeah, we came, we hung out, we did our thing. Kevin drove, I did media, which involved standing in a field with no shade, so I'm very warm and thirsty. All in all, great drift event. Really like the track. I would fully come back. Maybe spend the weekend in Portland and then come do this, but who's to say? I don't know if we'll have time. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!